For sidekicks, to begin, I'm going to break this down the way that we do with orientation. So remember the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if I'm facing this way, because my target's over here, going to be in a sitting stance. So knees are bent, feet are straight, eyes on your target here. Step over across at your shins. This is 1. Notice it's not a huge step. My feet are fairly close to each other. The big key is this hole right here, crossing at the shins, not above the knees. That's too far. So again, stepping over. 1, heel is pointing out front, not the toes. So the knees chamber 2, side kick 3, rechamber, and 5. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Going the other way, a little bit faster here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now from here, the way this would be done in class would be going your own count. So from your ready position here, stepping out, yapchaki, side kick position. So again, sitting stance, going this way, target is headed up here. Toes are going to be pointing down, connecting with the heel.